Hey guys, this is a Futureboy and welcome to my videos. In this video, I will show you Arduino radar system with the help of ultrasonic sensor. This is a Arduino radar system. You see this is a ultrasonic sensor. This upper is ultrasonic sensor and down in a servo motor. Here is that servo motor, and there is a Arduino board, and here is a breadboard and some jumper wires. This is a Arduino radar system who detect any object and convert into a radar system. Look like you see a blank screen, green blank screen, because there are no object in there. But you see in Arduino radar system, I will show my hand in front of ultrasonic sensor. Then he detect a red of blank screen. Okay, you will see this. I will go into there. Then you will check it. Then here my hand, and then you will see this is a radar screen, because he will detect any object and convert it into a radar system. Okay, this is the ultrasonic sensor who detect any object. Like this is my hand, then you see this is a red line, but I am not showing my hand. Then you will see this is a green blank screen. Okay, you will see this. There are no my hand. Okay, and I go to my and see in front of ultrasonic sensor in my hand. Then he will read a screen any object, like I have a my book. Okay, I have my book. Okay, I will go into front of ultrasonic sensor. Then you will see he was detecting a red, because it detect any object in ultrasonic front. So you want to create this, then you go to I'm uh, giving a link in description. You create this Arduino radar system. Then you will needed a two software. First is Arduino IDE software for the Arduino programming, and then you will second is processing software. Then you will I will giving a description. Go and download the two software, and also I will giving a Arduino programming code and processing code. Okay, and here is the sum of component need. First is ultrasonic sensor, second is the servo motor, third is breadboard, fourth is some jumper wires, and fifth is Arduino board. Okay, so there are no hard project. There is no hard project, because look like a very hard project, but you create this, then this is a very simple project. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this video, and thanks for seeing my project. Have a nice day.